Hello dreamers! For today's video, I will share to you the top secrets that I did which led me to having 15 principal interview invites in a span of 3 weeks. Yes, you heard it right. Nakakuha ko ng 15 principal interviews sa loob lang ng 3 linggo gamit ang 3 risks. First, I joined a mentoring program. Kung matagal ka nang nagbabasa sa Facebook at nanonood ng videos kung paano maging Teachers America, for sure, kilala mo na siya. Mr. L has a mentoring program that helps Filipino teachers craft winning resume, cover letter, and trains them in preparation for the interview. Noong sinimulan kong gamitin ang resume at cover letter na yon, sunod-sunod ang replies ng mga school principals sa akin. Crafting the resume to be used in applying in school districts in the USA has a science behind it. Mr. L is part of the screening committee in his school in New Mexico. Ibig sabihin, may alam siya sa kung paano napipili ang mga resume ng mga applicants during the hiring process. In total, nakakuha ako ng 15 principal interview invites sa magkaibang states: Alabama, Mississippi, Georgia, Texas, Maryland, at Virginia. Lahat niyan ay nangyari noong July 2024. Mayroon ding ibang mentoring program katulad ng kay Miss Alisa Lifestyle Blog. It is a risk kasi may bayad. You need to spend a certain amount to join. Second, bypass the ApplyTrack system. Kung matagal ka nang nag-a-apply, alam mo na ang school districts sa Amerika ay gumagamit ng ApplyTrack system kung saan ang applicants ay sasagot ng napakaraming tanong tungkol sa educational background at ibang personal information. Sa system na yan, i-upload mo ang resume, cover letter, reference, transcript of records, at iba pang mga dokumento ng mga aplikante. At alam mo na rin na it will take you almost 1 hour to do it sa isang school district pa lang. Kaya, ang ginawa ko, hindi ako sumunod sa ganoong sistema. Instead, I looked for specific schools with the open teaching position and searched for the email of the principal. I sent them my resume and Foreign Credential Evaluation or FCE. At yon, nagre-reply sila kaagad for an interview. I can send 10 to 20 emails within 2 to 3 hours. This is another risk kasi baka sayang din yung effort kung hindi papansinin ng principal. Baka waste of time. But thank God, hindi. And it was effective. Lastly, my secret was having a good timing in applying. Dahil nga nagsisend na ako ng email sa principals, sinasadya ko na matatanggap nila ang email by the time na nasa office sila. That is why I stayed awake at night back in the Philippines and sent emails when it's 8 in the morning and beyond in America. When I found na effective ito, kasi most principals na nakakabasa ng application ko ay nagsiset ng interview agad in the afternoon on the same day, yun na ang strategy na ginamit ko hanggang sa nakakuha ko ng job offer. At alam mo ba, hindi ko pinapalampas ang Saturday kasi I believe na kapag Saturday inagre-relax sila at nagsi-cellphone. Baka lang magkataon na mabasa nila ang email ko, kaya sinubukan ko. And may 3 principals na nag-reply na they will set an interview with me by Monday. O diba? Effective. And yes, timing was the key. Those were my secrets on how I secured 15 principal interview invites within 3 weeks. Get a winning resume and letter by joining mentoring program, bypass the ApplyTrack system, and the application timing. Kaya, never underestimate those calculated risks. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!